In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to start a new part and explain what we see when we first start a part in SolidWorks. So to start a new part, I'm going to come up to the menu and I'm going to select File, New. And here from the Novice tab, we have three choices. I can start a new part, a new assembly, or a new drawing. In SolidWorks, we always start by creating our parts first. So with the part highlighted, I'm going to select OK. And a new blank part will have been started here. If we move over here to the upper left-hand corner, here we have the display plane, and here we have the feature manager tree. So every new part will have a material that's not assigned, the front plane, the top plane, the right plane, and the part origin established. This is what we call the feature manager design tree. Here I can hide and show this by clicking on the button. So if I want more room, I'm working on a smaller screen, I can just hide the feature manager. Down here I see the axis. So my X, Y, and Z axis. Across the top will be the ribbon bar, and we're going to start with either a feature or a sketch. And any feature that we can create will not be grayed out, such as an extrude boss or revolve boss. Any feature we cannot create yet will be grayed out as shown here. Here in the top middle of our graphics area, we have the View Heads Up toolbar. Yours may look slightly different than mine. A little later, we'll look at how to add some custom features to it, such as to choose the isometric view and normal to. And the features available from this toolbar will be examined as we learn more about the software. Some other important things to be aware when we first start a SolidWorks part is down here in the lower right hand corner. We see our units. By default it's switched to the inch. If I want to work in metric, I can switch to metric using this, or I can go here and edit the document units. I'm going to leave this to inch for now. SolidWorks also tells me that I'm editing my current part. And that current part by name was named Part 1. And I know it was made in the educational software because it has a picture of the graduation cap here. For each ribbon bar, I'll just switch to the sketch ribbon bar. The most common sketch elements are preloaded into the ribbon bar. If something I want isn't here, it's always available from the drop-down menus, or I can customize these ribbon bars and add a command I like to use frequently. I can also show these planes by clicking on it, selecting the all-seeing eye and saying to show the plane. So I can show the top plane as well, and the right plane. And where the three planes intersect is the part's origin, which is very critical. We always design from our part origin. If I don't want to see these planes, I can come over here to the all-seeing eye, select the drop-down menu and tell it not to show planes even though their visibility is on here, or I can turn it back on here and I can click on any plane and again hide the visibility of this plane. From our heads up view toolbar, we can choose how we want our part displayed, what view we would like to look at our part from. We can create cross sections, we can use the various zoom menus. And from this drop-down arrow, I can show and hide various aspects of my elements. So in the next video, we'll actually get started with drawing our first part.